Moving on with our Florida criminal justice system series, we're at the point, it's pretty straightforward. The retaining of a criminal defense attorney, it's part of the process. When it's done is pretty important. Unfortunately, most criminal lawyers are retained by a suspect after they're arrested and actually a defendant. Their interests aren't represented during the whole process prior, whereby filing attorneys are reviewing information and detectives are even investigating the case. This would be a good time for counsel to get in and try to mitigate. But the fact of the matter is that, God damn it, Elvis. I'm attorney William Moore, and moving on with our Florida criminal justice system explanation series, we're at retaining of a criminal defense attorney, which is part of the process. Where we'd like it to happen would be at the first sign of trouble when an allegation is even made, but most of the time suspects retain counsel after they're actually defendants, meaning after they've been arrested. This can be done because of financial reasons, denial, but waiting till after being arrested, if not for financial reasons, really is not in the best interest at all, because of course prior to detectives even investigating the case is when you want that counsel in there talking to these people and trying to mitigate any damage that could become of allegations. If you do hire a criminal defense attorney after arrest or before, if you don't know one, make sure you do your due diligence and find one that is qualified, has a good reputation, can show you their work history. Subsequent to being retained, they'll file necessary paperwork with the clerk and the judge and the state attorney. This should obviate your need to go to arraignment. Always talk with them about that. Remember, criminal defense law firms, pretty much exclusively here in Broward County, I can tell you, they take payment plans. A lot of times you can get a really good firm on your side for no more than $500 to $1,000. When you meet with your criminal defense attorney after being retained, they should at a minimum review the charges with you, discuss these charges with you so you understand them, review the penalties, any evidence that has been obtained by way of discovery, discuss your expectation about the proceedings, how you want to proceed. They should explain the court process, future court dates and hearings, and any other pertinent information right there, even at the initial meeting. It's always a good practice to maintain regularly scheduled appointments with your criminal defense attorney. If you haven't retained an attorney, or even if you haven't, you just have questions, you can call any of the lawyers at our firm. We'll put you in touch with the one that focuses on that area of criminal defense. I'm William Moore.